Hi everyone, my name is Karthik. So in this presentation I'm going to cover three topics of SQL. One is table revisiting, second one is update statement and some example queries, third one is delete statement and its use cases. So let's get started. So what is table revisiting? So in Oracle, in a single query, we can create tables and insert tuples from an existing table into the new tables. So let's see how we can do that using this example. So here I wanted to create a table full underscore professors, and I wanted to have SID name office from a faculty table which is already present in the database that satisfies the condition rank is equal to full professor. So this is these are the contents of my faculty table: SID name, office, rank, and department code. And after executing the query, it says a table is created, which means the full underscore professors table is created. Using the select statement, we can check the contents in the full underscore professors table. As we can see that we have two rows here. That means only two SIDs are satisfying the condition rank is equal to full professor. Let's see one more example. So here I wanted to create a teaching underscore assistance table, and I wanted to have SID name, GPA, and subject from students table, which is already present in the database, that satisfies the condition TA is equal to S. So this is my students table, and I have SID name, GPA, age, gender, teaching assistant, and subject as columns with related information. So after executing the query, it says table is created, which is teaching underscore assistance, and using the select statement we can check what's inside the teaching assistance table, and we can see there are three rows. That means three entries are satisfying the condition TA is equal to Y. Next is update statement. So using the update statement, we can replace the old values uh, with the two new values in the table. So we can do this for a single column or multiple columns. This is the syntax for the update statement: update table name and the set column. Pass the number of columns you want, single column or multiple columns, and the search condition. Let's see the usage in an example. So in this query, I wanted to update the employees table, and I wanted to uh, have the department change to human resource for this employee ID 69674, which is a condition. So these are the data in my employees table. I have employee ID, first name, second name, department, and location. So after executing the query, it says one row is updated. That means only one row is satisfying the condition employee ID is equal to 69674, as it is unique. And also I can see that the department has been changed to human resources from sales. Let's see one more query. So here I wanted to update the students table. I want the GPA to be increased by 0.5 and the age to be changed to 27 and the subject to robotic simulation for this SID 12003, which is a condition. So I'm taking the same table students which has these columns, and after executing the query, it says one row is updated. And if we can check the SID of 12003, the GPA has been changed to 4.14 from 3.62. I know it's crossed 4, but since it's for demo purposes, please ignore it. And the age has been changed from 26 to 27, and the subject has been changed from thermodynamics to robotic simulation. Let's see one more query. Here I wanted to update the multiple rows of a single column. So here I wanted to update the students table and I want to update all the rows of the subject column to not available. So after executing this query, it says 6 rows are updated. When we check the students table using the select statement, we can see that all the rows of the subject column has been changed to not available. Next, delete statement. And the before going into details, how is delete statement differ from top? Delete statement is a data manipulation language statement, whereas drop is a data definition language statement. So the delete statement works on the buffer data, and can be revoked. That means once it is executed, now we can store the data back that has been deleted. So the once the delete statement is executed, it does not immediately free the table memory. It stores the data in the buffer for some time, and the delete statement will not delete the schema of the table. So the use cases for the delete statement are we can delete tuples, records, etc. So as I said, drop is a DDL statement. It works directly on the data and hence cannot be revoked. It's like a permanent deletion. So when a drop statement is executed, it immediately frees the table memory, and also the drop deletes all the contents of the table along with the code schema. So if we want to retrieve the data back, we cannot do that. We have to build it from the scratch again. The use cases are drop tables, schemas permanently. Let's see a few examples of delete statement. So the syntax for the delete statement is delete from table, from and the table name. So I wanted to delete all the tuples of students. So to do that, let's execute the query delete from students. So I have this mobiles table, and this is the information I have. So I wanted to delete the contents of the mobiles. So after executing the query delete from mobiles, it says 3 rows deleted. And to check if there is any data present in the mobiles, I have executed the select statement. I can see that it displays no row selected. That means the entire data is gone. So but when we check the description for the mobiles, it still shows the schema of this table, so that later if we want to add more data, we can add without building it from the scratch. Whereas in drop statement, it is different. So here here I have users table, and I wanted to drop this users table. So after executing the query drop table users, it says the table is dropped. And when I check the describe users, it says the object users does not exist. That means it has deleted all the contents of the users and also the schema, hence it cannot be retrieved. And in this example, I wanted to delete multiple entries from the students table, which satisfies the condition SID is equal to 12006 and 12015. So after executing the query, I can see that 2 rows are deleted, and using the select statement, we can see that the SIDs that are satisfying the condition 12006 and 12015 have been deleted from the table. And that's it. I hope that this presentation helps you guys in fairly understanding the 3 topics I discussed. Thank you.